Welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we are making a Cinderella cutout dress. So you can either freehand draw Cinderella or you can trace Cinderella from another picture. So take some black card and draw out Cinderella. Just her outline. Try and keep a very steady hand. I think Cinderella has such a beautiful dress. Is Cinderella your favourite Disney? Now, using some scissors with guidance from our parents, we're going to cut out the silhouette of Cinderella. And then we're going to get some light blue tissue paper and fold it into a very small square and then cut it into a circle. And then with some hot glue, with the guidance of our parents, or some PVA glue, we are going to bunch together the blue paper. Like so. We're going to do that lots of times. And we're going to do it with some white paper as well. And then on a square piece of light blue paper, we're going to draw out the top of Cinderella's dress. And very carefully cut it out. And we'll add some glue and stick on the top of Cinderella's dress. And we're going to decorate it with some sparkles. Just adding some really nice detail with some sequins. with our glue, we're going to stick on the white tissue to the top of Cinderella's dress. And then we'll add some more sparkle to Cinderella's bun to make her hair look nice and pretty. Some to her wrists so that she's got some lovely jewellery on, and with a little bit more glue. We are going to add on the blue to Cinderella's dress. You might get a bit sticky, but that's okay. It's all fun and creative. And there you have it, your very own Cinderella cutout dress. I can't wait to see what you guys can do too. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Ebenezer, and Ebenezer has drawn us a very colourful animal today. I love the use of orange here. Well done, Ebenezer. If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!